Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy mango sorbet. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of ripe mangoes, peeled and cubed. You'll also need 1/2 cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar. Make sure you have a good blender or food processor on hand. This simple recipe is perfect for a refreshing treat, and it comes together quickly with minimal effort. Let's get blending. Now, combine your cubed mango, water, and sugar in the blender or food processor. Blend everything until the mixture is completely smooth and has a creamy consistency. You might need to stop and scrape down the sides a few times to ensure all the mango is incorporated. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect sorbet texture. Keep blending until there are no lumps left. Once your mango mixture is perfectly smooth, pour it into a shallow, freezer-safe container. Make sure to cover it tightly with a lid or plastic wrap to prevent ice crystals from forming. Now, place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours or until it's completely firm. For the best results, you can even freeze it overnight. This waiting period is the hardest part. After freezing, let your delicious mango sorbet soften at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. This makes it easier to scoop and enjoy. Serve it in bowls, perhaps with a garnish of fresh mint or a few extra mango pieces for a beautiful presentation. It's the perfect cool treat on a warm day. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.